What are you?
It's out. That's the brand. This will make my life easier. If I chop this by now, I'm finished. Not what it's shown in commercials. Ay, ay, ay. It looks so fine in the commercial.
A few moments later.
Better the old gangsta way. Start. Go. Things out.
What are you? What are you?
It's out. That's the brand.
Things out. But you're showing the foil.
Wings.
That's a wing.
Like a wing.
What do we have here? This is fried. What are these two? Hot, I think.
Glaze.
But with what?
Honey glaze. Some is soy, garlic, and the other one is pure garlic.
Good.
So you want rice?
No, no.
Ayaw niya. I eat some
I
rice.
like to enjoy the chicken.
Nicotin.
Nice, sarap.
It's good.
Nike, masarap.
Mm-hmm.
Say masarap.
Masarap.
Yeah.
Masarap.
This is honey.
Soy garlic. Soy garlic with a bit glazed honey. Honey soy garlic, something like that.
Crispy.
Ito wala sa na, wala tayo.
Why did you put an apple in my salad?
Just easy.
Apple and salad.
Ano daw?
To balance the taste because I put some sour.
This red one is really good.
I'll get more.
What is this?
Red wings. Maybe sweet and spicy, I guess.
No. Something else is good. It's crispy. Because you like to fight with the bone.
Kampiyon din yung mga ano,
Crispy.
mga ito. Kuring.
There's an annoying fly here.
Okay.
Look! It's on the camera.
Ah, ang ano?
Langaw, di putang langaw. They like the porringer. The fly.
What? We're stupid. Next time, get this in front of the camera, so it will be. No, now when I'm finished, I realize.
And then we move here. Come on. You want to make it slanting a bit.
No, wait. So it will... Wait.
Hindi, kayabi nga yun.
It's still not good.
Ano?
Bit better. But there's too much sunlight coming.
Ka. You back out.
More chicken. Ito sa'yo.
Yes, has
You're really Filipino.
distinctive taste.
That's banana ketchup.
And good. Banana ketchup.
Something like that, either banana ketchup or hot sauce banana ketchup. That's how I taste
Yeah.
it.
Banana ketchup is sweet. This is not sweet. This is just right.
Sarap kaya ang sauce niya. The sauce is very nice.
It's like it's
Honey lang na
sour
lemon.
but sweet but good.
It's like semi spicy buffalo wings.
I can't explain the taste, but it's good.
There's a butter here. Butter, for sure. That's why you like it. I can taste the butter.
You can explain, but it's good.
I don't like this much because it's sweet.
No, but this is good because it is crispy.
Okay.
This is the most crispy.
What do you like more?
This is the best.
Yeah.
The red one.
It's like butter or either hot sauce with butter. All in all, it's just 890 pesos for all of this. Not bad. I think it's 8 pieces. 8, 16, 24, 32. 32 to 40.
More than 8 pieces.
8,
1,
8, 8,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is
10, I guess.
already 7 pieces. And we took.
Maybe 40 ma. 40 guro.
Bakit?
Para na sila guro oh.
Hindi na.
Order guys. Wings out. Meadowville. Meadowwood. Pasombuaya. Cavite. Philippines.
You bought from there and you don't even know it.
Eee! Cut.